Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to review the newest, hottest launch in the market, which is from my favorite brand Kiro, and that launch is Shadow Me Eyeshadow palettes. So basically they've launched two eyeshadow palettes. One is Break of Dawn and the other one is Sand Dune, and I have got my hands on this one, which is the Sand Dune one. And just to give you a glimpse of it, this is how it looks from the inside. Of course, I have used it, I have tried and tested it for you. I've created this whole look using these palettes. So it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette, and in this video I will be discussing this palette in all the depth that you would want. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Quickly talking about the packaging, I've always been a fan of the Kiro color block packaging. This is all black. The whole Shadow Me text is over here, and you know, it's very clean. They have introduced the color blocking over here, but mostly it is very clean packaging, and in the back you have all the other information that you would need. And because you know, eyeshadows are very fragile and there's always a risk of them breaking in the transit, what they have done is they have lined this entire packing with this foam that you see over here. So this is going to make sure that, you know, your eyeshadow is 100% safe. This is how the palette looks from the inside. Again, beautiful color blocking. Over here they have the name Kiro. At the back they have all the information. So basically अगर आप देखोगे ना, it's a very like compact eyeshadow palette, और इसके अंदर they are offering you 7 shades, है ना. तो इसका ये जो पूरी packing है, in spite of giving you a good number of shades, the whole packing is very compact. So it's storage friendly also, and it's travel friendly also. So I'm definitely impressed with the packaging. Let's test the texture over here. So what I'll do is I'll first of all try a matte shade, which is this really intense brown color, and you can see the pigment is very nice. And also, if I just talk about the texture, it's very soft, you know, because these eyeshadows, they are infused with 3 rich oils. There is macadamia, there is moringa, and there is avocado oil. So these are enriched with that, और उसको जब आप ऐसे feel करोगे ना, you will know that these eyeshadows, they have like a really beautiful texture. I'll also try one metallic for you. So again, the pigmentation is also very nice, and the whole feel of this shade is also really beautiful. The pigmentation of all the 7 eyeshadows is really on point. जब मैं अभी eye makeup करूँगी वो आप देख लोगे. But just to give you like a nice glimpse of it, I am just, you know, taken these starting 3 shades, आप देख सकते हो, and look at it yourself. मतलब इतना अच्छा, इतना सुंदर ट्रांसफर है that it's beautiful. I'll also try the remaining 4 ताकि उनको left out feel ना हो. So कहाँ try करूँ, यहाँ कर लूँ. So the pigmentation is very good. There is definitely no doubt about it. Hi everyone, welcome back. So base makeup is all done. Only the lipstick and the eye makeup is remaining. So the idea is that I will be using this palette to create 2 eye makeup looks. क्योंकि अगर आप इस palette में देखोगे, it has a beautiful blend of matte and slightly metallic glittery shades. So what I want to do is I want to create a very soft, subtle daytime makeup look, and then I want to amp it up using, you know, these metallic shades, and you know, just to give that whole nighttime vibe. So इससे क्या होगा, I'll be able to try as many shades as I can from the palette, and while I'm doing the entire makeup, you are going to hear the actual honest review of this particular palette. So without any further ado, let's get started. As I said, the idea is to create a daytime soft glam makeup look first. So I will be picking up this shade, this very light peachish color shade from the on this round fluffy brush, और इसको जो है I will be applying all over my eyelid. So let's see how this performs on the eyes. The pigment looks really nice. The color transferring on the eyes is exactly the color that is provided over here. So quite impressive, I must say. One thing that I've noticed is कि कई बार क्या होता है मैट शेड्स में खासकर ये प्रॉब्लम आती है that when you tap 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 and apply it, तब तो वो अच्छे से अप्लाई हो जाते हैं, बट जब हम उनको ऐसे ऐसे शेडिंग कर रहे होते हैं ना, a lot of color just goes away, वो ना इधर उधर भाग जाता है. But with this I am noticing this thing कि मैं इतनी देर उसको ऐसे ऐसे blend भी कर रही हूँ, but the pigment is sticking to its ground. It is staying put, which is a very important thing that at least I look forward in the eyeshadow palettes that I use. So yeah, good. I've applied it on both the eyes and you can see that it is looking so beautiful. मतलब ये अपने आप में एक complete eye makeup look लग रहा है. But because I want to try a lot of shades, I will be using this matte brown color. So I'm again taking a fluffy brush और इसको जो है I'll just like focus on the outer C, right? It's a very strong color. It's very pigmented. I'm just using it to create an outer crease क्योंकि ये जो base color है मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. I don't want to like उसको ज़्यादा कुछ करने का मन नहीं है मेरा. Alright, so it's a very beautiful brown color and I think it will make for a perfect transition shade. आप you know brown smoky eye करो, black smoky eye करो. If you use this color in your transition, it's going to look perfect. So now because we are like tapping on the glam element, तो हम क्या what I'm planning to do is कि ये वाला जो shade है, this color, it's a very soft glam beautiful metallic color with a very nice payoff. इसको ना I will just lightly apply on the center. Look at this. What sheen is that? I mean it's beautiful. So इसको बस मैं हल्का सा center पे लगाऊंगी, right, and then using a clean finger just blend it. Again, it's a daytime look, so I don't want it to be very glittery and all of that. For my daytime glam makeup look, मुझे बस एक step और करना है जिसमें I will be again taking the same brown color और इसको मैं below the lower waterline लगाऊंगी. I'm not a huge fan of kajals and eyeliner, so I just want to keep it very simple and very soft glam. It's so pretty. I'm just going halfway across and be done with my daytime eye makeup look. Ideally, I would just apply some mascara, loads of mascara, and call it a day. But अभी मैं mascara नहीं लगाऊंगी because of course I have to push this makeup further, so mascara will be a hindrance. So like my eye makeup is done, my daytime eye makeup is done. मैंने successfully इसमें 3 Kiro के eyeshadows use करे हैं and I am so impressed by all of it. And I want you to notice one more thing. There is no fallout. मतलब ऐसा बहुत रेयर दिखने को मिलता है कि आई शेडोज में फॉल आउट ना हो, इसीलिए लोग पहले आई मेकअप करते हैं, बट या देयर इज नो फॉल आउट. नाउ टू टेक दिस आई मेकअप फ्रॉम डे टू नाइट, व्हाट आई डू इज आई विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द ब्राउन. तो एक छोटा ब्रश लिया है मैंने इस बार एंड इसकी जो इंटेंसिटी है वो हम थोड़ी सी बढ़ाएंगे ऑन द कॉर्नर्स. And then we already have some glitter over here, but उसको थोड़ा सा night time करने के लिए I will be taking this glitter. ये जो बहुत golden सा shade है एक हमारे पास. It is so pigmented. Okay, so I want to take this pigment and इसको हल्का सा I want to apply again at the center of my eyes only, just to increase the intensity of the pigment. Now this really pigmented eyeshadow has added a lot of glam to my makeup. Now what I want to do is a last stroke of glam ke liye I'm taking this color. This is also very soft but very pigmented. Isko na I want to add to my lower waterline, right? So it's not going to look too loud, but it's definitely going to look party ready. So the inner corner, जैसे मैंने जो brown है वो सिर्फ half पे लगाया था, तो जो remaining half पे है मैंने इससे कवर करा है. Now to give my eye makeup the finishing touches, I'll apply a very thin eyeliner and loads of mascara. So my makeup is done and I am feeling so glamorous, like literally I'm feeling so glamorous. And more than that, on my eyes I'm feeling very light. Matlab I have applied good 5 eyeshadows on it, a mix of matte and metallic, but trust me, मुझे ना बिल्कुल भी एक वो जो weighing down वाली feeling होती है वो नहीं आ रही है, which is a very new thing honestly, because when you put your lenses on, you apply mascara, you apply like good 5-6 eyeshadows, आपकी eyes पे weight create होता है. But right now I'm not feeling anything, and that just again proves कि ये जो इन eyeshadows की quality है वो बहुत अच्छी है. The pigmentation is bang on. I've already talked about it. The blending power was really nice. जो buildability होती है eyeshadows की वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. In simple words, if I have to say something, I will say that this eyeshadow palette that I have is an absolute like a rockstar product. And in general also, I love this brand Kiro, the fact that they infuse so many skincare ingredients in their makeup products. Like even in these eyeshadows, they have infused moringa, macadamia and avocado oils so that they feel very light on the eyes and they do not dry it out further, jiska effect मैं definitely देख सकती हूँ. For today's particular review, this was all from my side today. I'll just say it again that this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette to own because the shades are so universal, the pigmentation is on point, and it is super lightweight and comfortable on eyes. So even if you have a long day ahead or a long night of party, you can easily carry these shades and they're not going to disappoint you. So from my side, these palettes are highly recommended. Yeah, this was all from my side today. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care and lots of love.